In this video tutorial, we are going to use PyMu-PDF to extract the table data from this PDF document. The first thing you need to do is to make sure that PyMu-PDF is installed. Once the installation have completed, import PyMu-PDF and open the PDF document. The property metadata should return information about the loaded file. It works. The library is properly installed. We can now start extracting data. When using PyMu-PDF, the page index starts at 0. As the table is on the second page, page index 1 is loaded. Use the method findTables to get all the tables in the page. The property tables is an iterable, and its first element allows you to get the first table. The method extract allows you to output the extracted data as a Python list. We get a list of rows, each row being a list of 7 strings corresponding to the 7 columns. The data can also be exported as a pandas data frame.